Hey guys, it's Jacia and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to be doing a Kash Beauty unboxing. I'm going to be giving you guys my first impressions on the eyeshadow palette that I got and two of the lip liners and a lipstick that I bought. If you guys like what I created and you guys are interested to see my actual thoughts about these products for using them for the first time, then go ahead and keep on watching.
This is not my body, this is not my home. All I ever wanted to be was alone. I hate it.
You guys have no idea how excited I am to be finally opening this box that I've had sitting here in my room. This is Kash Beauty. Y'all see that? Kash Beauty. So basically, I was watching a YouTube video. Someone was doing like a makeup tutorial and she did a lip combo which was absolutely stunning. And she said it was from Kash Beauty and I was like, what is that? So basically, I went on the site and I ordered a few things from there. I ordered the exact lip combo that she ordered, but I also like bought one of the eyeshadow palettes that they had. And my only issue after I bought these things, I started looking on YouTube for like black people trying this stuff out because I was like, what if I wasted my money? I ended up buying the darkest lip liner, and if that's not dark enough for me, y'all will just know, exit. It's a no for me. But I just decided to like kind of try it out, try out some of the products. I would have loved to try out more than one of the lipsticks for you guys, because it's like a few different ones, and see, you know, kind of like shade wise which ones would I kind of recommend. But I went with the lightest lip color because I just really liked the look that, you know, she had in her video, and so I decided to get the same exact lip combo. I paid for it out of my own pocket. It's a little bit pricey, I'm not gonna lie to you. If this is the lightest lip and I can make it work with that lip liner or maybe another lip liner, then I would recommend you guys go ahead and get it. But without further ado, I have already done my eyebrows. I'm gonna go ahead and open it up. It's so much harder to do with nails on. Right away, out the box, I have their little like thank you card. I just get like a little thank you card. They also included a mask, which is super sweet and very cute. Has just like their logo on it. I'm assuming this is gonna be the palette. It's well wrapped, y'all. So this is the Secret Treasure eyeshadow palette. Right off the bat, it's really small. Like my palm, it's really small. I don't think I remember seeing anyone show me like the size, but it's incredibly small. This palette is vegan and cruelty free, in case you guys are wanting to know that. Okay, so here we have the outside packaging. This is actually super cute. This is like a compass, and oh wow. Okay, let me take this film off. Okay, so right away we have this really big mirror, and then look at these colors. So I'm gonna go ahead and with the shade 2, I'm going to use that as my crease color. It's pretty pigmented. It's a very like kind of everyday neutral palette. I do really like this shade. It's really nice. I'm in with the shade Burnt right up here, and I'm going to use it to buff out the edges of this crease color. going in the shade Wreck, and I'm going to darken my outer corner. This is the Urban Decay eyeshadow primer. I'm gonna go ahead and use it. Instead of cutting my crease, I'm gonna go in as if I'm like cutting my crease the same way I would cut my crease. Just gonna apply this everywhere. The color Tarnish is really calling my name, so I'm gonna go ahead and put that. Do you guys see how pigmented that is? That black color, Forbidden. I'm gonna create a wing using that shadow. So I went ahead and created a wing. I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest of my makeup off camera, and I will be back to finish up my eyes and then try on the lips for you guys. So I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I went ahead off camera and finished my face and popped on some lashes. I'm gonna go ahead and darken up under my eye, and I think for that color I'm gonna go ahead and start off with Script. I'm gonna go ahead and use the shade Script and then Wreck as well. Okay, for my inner corner highlight, I'm gonna go ahead and use the shade Treasure and pop that right in my inner corner. Okay guys, and that is it for the eye makeup. Okay guys, so now we're at the part that I've probably been most excited for, is the lips. I got 2 lip liners. This is in the shade Rust Nude and True Nude. Rust Nude is the darkest lip liner that they have on the site, which is not very dark, at least in the box. And then the only lipstick that I got is like their lightest shade of lipstick. This is in the shade Veil. Now, the YouTuber that I saw who wore the lip combo wore Rust Nude and Veil, and it was absolutely beautiful. But of course, she was not my complexion, so I want to see if, you know, the lip will still look nice on me. Okay, right off the bat, the packaging is super cute. It spells Kash and it's magnetic. So this is what Veil looks like. It's actually really pretty. It's a matte color. This is the shade True Nude. It does have the name on the side. The pencil that needs to be sharpened. Okay, right off the bat, this is not going to be dark enough for me. And there's a lot of darker shades that come after my complexion. So, yeah. This isn't mostly all filled into my lips. I feel like if I were to like pop a gloss over top, this would be probably really pretty. Natural, almost like skin. So I do like this color on me with like a gloss. That actually smells really good. Wait, y'all. I'm actually absolutely in love with this shade. It makes me want to go buy more. The lipstick though is really, really pretty. However, yeah, like this lip liner, I just wouldn't pair with it. I'm gonna go ahead and wipe off this lip and then go ahead and try it with Rust Nude. Okay, now I'm gonna go ahead and try Rust Nude. You guys can see that this is such a more flattering color and shade on my skin. The products themselves are really good products. I really like the dimension that this lip combo does give my lips. It's actually very pretty. However, is it really Black Girl approved? Not really. I feel like this brand needs to do some more work on including more darker shades, because honestly this lip liner is not dark enough. It's not dark enough for my ladies. The lipstick, it is, even though it's the lightest shade, I feel like it can flatter any skin tone with the right nude liner. The eyeshadow is amazing. Honestly, I would recommend, but as far as the lips go, I feel like that just needs more work. But overall, the brand did a really good job. I feel like the products are very high quality, from the packaging to how the products feel and how they work together. It's pretty good. And for this to be a matte like lip formula, I feel like honestly it doesn't feel drying. It's very moisturizing and it's low-key kind of creamy. Like it feels like I'm wearing like a lip balm on my lips, for real. But yeah, that is my opinion on this whole look. Let me go ahead and just take my clips out. A little bit more about Kash Beauty. They do have some like bronzer products. I seen they came out with some like bronzer sticks, highlighting sticks, and like blush sticks. I bought these before those products came out, or else, you know, I probably would have tried them. But as far as just like the lip liners go, they're not Black Girl friendly, just to be honest. But I would say honestly you can go ahead and buy the lipsticks. If you're curious, the lipsticks are very nice, and maybe just pair it with a darker lip liner. There's a bunch. You can get NYX, KKW, Morphe, and MAC. Those are 4 different places you can get really nice lip liners from, that has a really big variety, of big range of, you know, for colored women. But otherwise than that, this is the look that I came up with using Kash Beauty. If you guys like this video, make sure to give me a thumbs up. Comment down below any other video ideas that you guys want to see from me. Don't forget to hit that bell notification so you guys know when I upload. And I will see you guys next time. Bye!